In this video, I will show you how to reinstall Microsoft Store in Windows 11. Reinstalling the Microsoft Store on Windows 11 is an easy process. So the first method you can use is using the PowerShell. So on the Windows Start menu, search for PowerShell and then run this as an administrator. So simply click on this run as administrator, and then after you run that as an administrator, go ahead and type the text that I will show you in the notepad. So let me just place it here. So as you can see in here, these are the commands that you'll need to enter to the PowerShell. Now after you do that, just simply restart your PC, and once the process is complete, restart your computer and check if the Microsoft Store is working. Now, the next thing you can do if that doesn't work is to go ahead and reset Microsoft Store. So to do that, you'll need to open your settings. So open settings by clicking Windows and I on your keyboard. Now in here, simply head over into the Apps tab. So on the Apps tab, go ahead and search for Microsoft Store, and then click on Advanced Options, and then click on Reset. So if you can't find that here, just simply scroll down into the app list to be able to find the Microsoft Store. Now, if that doesn't work as well, you can go ahead and reinstall via Microsoft Store installer. If the methods mentioned don't work, you can download the Microsoft Store installer from the official Microsoft website and reinstall it manually. And that's basically how you can do that. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe into our channel to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.